All right, everyone, we're going to look at parking areas. We talked about problems and things that were driving us bananas. But today, we're going to talk about issues that you can work, problems you can use that will help you or others will help you in these situations, okay? And not to confront with others, in terms of your parking for disability. So you want to avoid those situations at all. So it's just not worth it. It's not worth it. But there are some issues that you can try to get the situation changed and make it better for you and for the rest of us. So we've talked about all those problems. So there are issues that you can use your manager and either write to them, or you can go directly to the store or to the place where you are with the manager right away. Let them know the problem, that you're stuck, that you can't get out, you can't get in, or you can't open your van, all these reasons to let them know so that you don't go to fight with the other person, but to go to the manager and say, hey, I got this issue. I'm trying to get out. I'm trying to get in. So, and I have a disability. so, work with that. Work with that and know you can write to them or you can talk to them directly. The other need is you could talk to the police if things get really heated or, a problem. You can call the police quietly, or at your store, you can go into the store and call to the police and just say, hey, these are my issues, and see what we can do to solve this situation. Thank you. If you're having issues already in your store or your agency where you're going, and it's just not working one way or the other, then call the city and just say, there's where this parking area for the disabled, and they're causing all kinds of problems for other people to park, and doesn't let people with disabilities to park. So can you help us with this so that people understand that they can't just use this for regular parking when people with disabilities need those special spots? So talk to the city, which is helpful, also to the police. So those are two areas that will help with this situation. So the police and the city. So think about that. A lot of times there is a safety officer that walk through these parking areas, and sometimes you just have to go to see them and to talk to them and say, hey, I've been trying to park in these areas and I'm having problems. So if you could help me and figure out if, this disabled spots in the parking area, that you can do a little bit more checking, and to talk to these people and say, do not use these for the people with disabilities. Never use them somewhere else. Never, to park them with the disabled area, because they're busy and because they need to get there, because they need to go to work. Not to do that. Or they're going to get a ticket. Because a lot of these people can get tickets for $250, $400, $500 for doing this. So this is true. Very true. So they can't fool around. So the safety officers really need to help us, and we can talk to them if we need to. Now this is really important for me to say, for people, for all of you, not to, get into a bad conference, with other people in the parking, because it just doesn't work. It doesn't help you, doesn't help the person confronting, or for you to confront. It just doesn't make sense. It doesn't work for anybody. So it's best to find somebody to help, which is the list I gave you. But just remember that if you're trying to park on your disabled section, then, just see if you can with, there are some people who just don't park correctly, and we've talked about people not parking correctly, or they're so those are the you all probably already have seen it, where people are parking in crazy ways. So, sometimes people who have disabilities and they park not correctly, sometimes we have to give them a little nudge so they know, you gotta move a little bit. If you could try to, so those kind of things. Because sometimes it happens to some that they have a hard time to park, and they park incorrectly, so we have to nudge them a little bit so they can try to do it again. So it's that kind of thing. But there are other people who they're busy, so they grab somebody or a parking section for the disabled, and the person that is busy grab that one. And it's like, no, wait, no, but I'm busy. No, because otherwise you don't want to get a ticket. Please. Oh, I'm so sorry, but please. So, the manager, you have to let them know right away. So, and that's it. It just doesn't work. Doesn't help. So again, you have a list of things so you can let them know of what's going on and what's not working for you. So parking will help you on this list that I gave you. And I don't want you to get into situations with other people who are, causing problems to you. And that doesn't work. It just doesn't work. It just doesn't at all. So look and see who can help you. All right? So let's remember that. And remember the like here for my channel and for the subscribe. And that help us also, all of us, because if you have suggestions, do you have ideas, do you have experiences that you can talk about, and we can also give ideas to help XYZ. So let's talk about those things that are really important. All right, remember, subscribe, like, and stay with us so we keep on growing as this channel of World Wheelchair Warriors. Take care.